In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on MEXC. Now to do this, you first want to sign into your account, and then on the dashboard, you want to go to buy crypto, top left, hover over it, and click on quick buy or sell. Now, of course, there's going to be a few ways to do this, but the easiest one is going to be just from this default site where you can buy and sell. And of course, you have two buttons here. You want to click on this buy button, which is the first one over here. And this is where you can go and select which crypto you want to buy, okay? Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, select how much you want to spend and what exactly you want to spend. So here you can click on this button, wait for a second for this to actually load, and you'll see it's going to give you all the different things you can purchase in. So you have Euro, GBP, USD, etc. I'm going to go with Euros right now, and I'm going to try and spend 100 Euros over here. So I'm going to type in 100. Limit is 10 to 30K, as you can see. And then down here, you can select what you want to receive. So we can receive USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. A bunch of different cryptos. I'm just going to go with USDT, or let's actually go with Bitcoin, okay? I'm going to go with Bitcoin over here. You'll see how much you'll receive for your money's worth. And then you have to select your payment method. I'm going to click on here. As you can see, you have like fiat conversion. You have Apple Pay, Google Pay, debit or credit card, and then you have some third parties as well. So just select whichever one you want. You can also keep in mind there's different prices over here, different fees, stuff like that. Click on the one you want, press confirm over here, and then just click on the buy button down here. And of course, if you do have some available balance, you'll be able to do this. In my case, I didn't select, I selected fiat conversion, which I don't have. So I would have to basically click here, and then I would have to add a debit card. But for this, verification of your account is required, of course. Now, I do have a separate video on how to create your account where I show you how to get verified. And then when you do this, when you've selected your, of course, payment method, you can just click on buy over here, confirm it with your payment method, so your crypto, your card, or Google Pay, Apple Pay, whatever you're using, and that's all you have to do to buy some crypto on MEXC. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.